How do affiliate marketers make money? Affiliate marketers are rewarded for driving traffic to a merchant's website. They also get a commission or percentage of the sale, depending on their agreement with the merchant. There are many benefits of affiliate marketing, including it is much cheaper than other forms of advertising for companies. It is less time consuming than other forms of advertising. It is more targeted than other forms of advertising. It has a higher conversion rate than other forms of advertising. Affiliate marketers make money by driving traffic to a merchant's website and get a commission or percentage of the sale depending on their agreement with the merchant. The top benefit for companies to use affiliate marketers is that it is cheaper and more targeted than other types of advertising. Affiliate marketing is an online marketing strategy used to promote, market, and sell products or services on a website. This type of advertising often takes the form of electronic links that send visitors directly to the merchant's website where they can then purchase the product or service. Online advertising has become one of the most important marketing channels for both consumers and merchants. Affiliate marketing, sometimes called performance-based marketing or commission-based marketing, is a form of advertising and marketing in which an individual referred to as an affiliate earns a commission by promoting a particular services or products. There are many affiliate programs that will help its affiliates market various products from different vendors such as ClickBank and Amazon. In comparison with other methods of marketing, affiliate marketing has a number of distinct advantages. Most importantly, it provides the affiliate marketer with passive income. This can be achieved by paying commissions to the affiliate for every sale or referral to the business that they make. And also, the more advanced marketer learns how to collect info from their traffic to be able to market other services and products to that traffic in the future. This is a very basic breakdown of what affiliate marketing is and how they make money. For a more in-depth look into the world of affiliate marketing and how big money is being made in this field on their own time and comfort, I have an ebook to share with you that digs deep into it, man. It is available here at my Easy Affiliate Marketing book. The link will be in the comments section or the description section of this video. I hope I answered some questions for you today and was of service to you. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Looking forward to hear from you.